Alright, let's get real about work in physics. No, I'm not talking about your part-time job or doing homework. In physics, work is all about transferring energy by applying a force that actually moves something. If you push a wall and it doesn't budge, sorry, no work's been done. That wall just won't help you out. So here's the formula you'll want to remember. Work equals force times displacement times the cosine of the angle between them. Or in symbols, W equals sine Fs cos theta. W for work, F for force, S for how far something moves, and the theta for the angle between the force and movement. Simple, right? Let's break down the special cases, because physics always loves exceptions. First, maximum work, also called positive work, happens when the force and movement are in the exact same direction. That means theta is 0 degrees and cos 0 is 1, so work is just force times distance. But what if you're carrying your groceries straight forward, but the force you're applying is straight up? That's what we call zero work. Here, the force is perpendicular to how you're moving. D is 90 degrees, cos 90 is 0, so no work's done. And then there's negative work. Imagine lifting a box up while gravity pulls it down. The force you apply is opposite to gravity's pull, so theta is 180 degrees, cos 180 is minus 1, and you get negative work. So next time you're moving something, ask yourself, is physics giving you credit for all that effort? Maybe, or maybe not.